Hey, good morning and welcome back to another wash video. In this video I want to try out something new. It's autumn, I don't have a lot of time. I want to do a very quick car wash but get some good protection for my paint and also get my wheels and tires clean before I change them to winter tires. So I'm going to try out a new brand that I haven't tried before. It's called Armor All. Let me show you. So I live here in the Netherlands and I went to Action and I picked up a few products. And believe it or not, all these products were together €6. Action in the Netherlands, in Germany, the UK, France, Belgium. I highly recommend from time to time you go look there because they have cool products there. And yeah, this is in my opinion a bargain steal. So on the menu for this morning we have the wheel and tire cleaner. We have wash and wax, which will leave a nice protection. And then we finish off with leather wipes. So let's go and put this in the portable snow foam cannon, and then we'll foam the car and then see if we use this twice as pre-wash and main wash, whether we can get even better protection on the car. Supposedly good cleaning capabilities and has Carnauba wax in it, so that'll make my white Opel Ampera Chevy Bolt-TP shine and feel super smooth. Armor All brand supposedly is 50 years old and from the US and is very well known for a tire dressing spray. I haven't been able to find that, but hopefully I'll try it out. Let me know if you've used Armor All, what's your opinion about it. And they're basically now all over the world. They're originally from Connecticut. Connecticut, I think the US pronounce it, Connecticut. I think close to New York, and they're also sponsoring my man, my bro Max Verstappen in the Netherlands. So that's another reason to give Armor All a try and see how good it is. Those kids. So, and I've put 30 milliliters, so 10 milliliter per liter water, and I can tell you the color is more or less neutral. And unfortunately there was not a smell. I really like these smells. But yeah, let's pump it up now and see how the snow foam works. How good it is, I mean. I tried to do with 30 milliliter for 3 liters of water snow foam. It almost didn't foam at all. So now I went and I put 75 milliliter in total on 3 liters of water. Let's see how it foams right now. Yeah, whether this is supposed to be used at all as a pre-wash like this. And here also, as you can see, this Armor All is not really suitable in a portable snow foam cannon. So probably you should just only use it in the bucket and use a regular shampoo as a pre-wash. In my opinion, yeah, that's a bit disappointing because I have used other wash and wax products and they can also be used as a pre-wash. Not sure what's going wrong here, but let me know if you've used this and had a better result. I now change to a different tip on my snow foam cannon, my pre-wash device, and I'm getting a little bit better result, and it leads me to conclude that it's probably very thin and not suitable for pre-wash, unfortunately. I mean, you could still use this as a pre-wash. It'll clean and it'll loosen the dirt, but yeah, if you're looking for nice snow foam and nice scents, probably the Armor All is not the best product out there. So next up is the Armor All, verdammt, wheel and tire cleaner. So I'll first spray the wheels, my Michelin summer tires, before I put them in summer storage. Then I can clean them nicely, in winter storage I mean. And then afterwards I'll spray it on these wheels. As you can see, they're also very schmutzig. And see how this wheel and tire cleaner from Armor All performs. Let's go. There's a nice pump spray. I like that. This spray I really like because it is quite precise. Has decent mist. Doesn't have a strong ray. And I can really hit the tire nicely. And this I really like about this Armor All wheel and tire cleaner. And as you can see already here, the browning of the tire starts to happen. The brown gets loosened, which means the cleaning has immediately begun. And I didn't pump too much to get this result, so I'm quite happy with that. I'll continue with spray it a bit more. Zo. Sehr schön. And it smells, this smells quite neutral. I find it quite nice, doesn't smell too chemical. I'll spray a little bit on my trusted companion, the Michelin tire brush. Michelin tires, Michelin tire brush and Armor All. A nice combination. En oh ja, zo schmutzig. Oh, dat is weer chocolade. Poh, there's a lot of dirt that gets in the tires. And now I'll clean these tires and then I'll show you the final result later on. So while these brown tires are being infused with this Armor All cleaning, I'm also spraying the wheels. I really like this spray. I don't need too much of the product. I need to warn you though, because of this fine mist, when you spray it and when there's a gust of wind, it can really hit you in the face. So don't do like me, but maybe wear some eye protection, because this stuff can be pretty nasty for your eyes. There's no work indicator, so do set yourself a timer that you don't let this sit on your alloy wheels for, let's say, more than 3 minutes maximum. Now let's wash off the entire car and let's get to the main contact wash. Sehr schön. So, sehr schön. Getting all these wheels super clean thanks to this Armor All. I think the tires will look great. The wheels look very shiny too. As you can see, there's no real beading and sheeting yet going on the car. And I think it's due to the fact that there's still too much dirt on the car. But in the main contact wash, let's see if Armor All can remove all the traffic film and get this white car shine again. So we're back to the Armor All Ultra Shine Wash and Wax, which will lift the dirt. It'll wash and clean the car, and it'll leave a protective layer of Carnauba shine. Exactly what I need for a quick hand wash in the autumn to make my car look nicer longer. And I've taken 9 liter and I've added 5 tips of this. It says 3 tips per bucket. I went for 5. I always like to overuse a bit more. Let me know if you're also like that. And the foam looks nice and it is very, very slick. Very slick. So I think this is very gentle on my car, and I'm looking forward to removing the traffic film. Here we are with the traffic film experiment. I'll take a bit of the foam and then let's see if in one pass it's quite nice. It's able to remove stuck dirt on the car. Maybe not as strong as some of the other shampoos I've used, but we have to bear in mind that there's also some Carnauba wax in there. I'm very excited to see the final result. I'll finish the rest of the car and I'll check in with you when I'm done. I've dried off the car and now I'm going to be using the Armor All leather wipes with Beeswax. I'll try them on my leather steering wheel. Nice tight seal, I really like that. Big also, not so, so narrow that it's hard to close again. Smells very fresh. Let's put them on the steering wheel. Now, I like it. They're also very, very moist, very wet. So most likely a lot of leather care product will be applied to my steering wheel now. These leather wipes smell really great. Just discovered, by the way, that Armor All is owned by the Energizer company. You know, the company that makes batteries. It's very interesting why a company like that would have, let's say, a car cleaning brand in it also. I can tell you that after this car wash and outside in the sun, my battery is charged. So let's look together at the final result and I'll tell you what I think about, my reaction to my first experience with Armor All products. So, now let's take a look together at the final result. I have washed the car, pre-washed it with Armor All. I put then a contact wash on it with the same shampoo. I have washed the car, I have dried off the car. Armor All did manage to get the car nice and clean, although, like I said, not as powerful as some of the other shampoos. The paint feels very smooth, so I can sense that there's indeed some protective layer on it. I find that really nice, very soft. And that's really that Carnauba wax that I'm feeling. So I'm really liking that. Not the most powerful shampoo, not suitable for snow foam, but I guess as a pre-wash and then as a contact wash, it's quite alright. It's quite good, gets the job done. Not sure how long it will last. Let me know if you've used Armor All and how long this lasts, but I think for a quick autumn car wash, Armor All gets the job done. Now let's look at the wheels. My wheels also look nice, clean and shiny. There's still a bit of dirt on there, so it hasn't been able to remove the worst of all the brake dust. But I do think that it really revived my Michelin tires. It immediately got all the browning out, and yeah, these tires look very good, which is great because I'm going to put them for storage in winter, these summer tires. I put a bit of dressing on them to make them look nice. And I think I may have found the best product in the range, which is the Armor All wheel and tire cleaner, and then specifically this tire cleaner, because for that price point and that performance I haven't seen anything better than that. Yeah, let me know what you think about it. I think it's a fantastic product. Sehr schön. Yeah, and also checking in here with my steering wheel. Looks very nice. The leather has been revived. I think it has been cleaned. There's a really nice shiny element to it. I don't know, I haven't had the shiny steering wheel like that before, but I really like this product because it smells great. Yeah, you know, I know that I needed only one wipe, so if I do the whole car, this thing, which was like €2 in action, will last really long. So very nice, and very happy with this one too. Yeah, and that's it. That's my review of the Armor All products, the wheel and tire cleaner, the wash and wax, and the leather wipes. My first time using Armor All products. I'm very excited. I think for this price point it's probably the best I've used. Decent shampoo, has good cleaning. Nothing spectacular though, no nice smells, but gets the job done. Car feels very smooth. Yeah, when I go to action or when I'm in the mood yeah, I want a good price point, I'll definitely be buying it again. Let me know if you used Armor All, what's your opinion with it and which brand I should try next. I'm very excited that I could try out an established brand from the USA. And I'm looking forward to trying out something new. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a fantastic autumn with a beautiful shiny car. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.